Natural selection can produce an increase over the time in the adaptation of organism to the environment. For example, here if you look at that, this is actually differences between a flower mantis in Malaysia and mantis in Africa. Okay, they are different because they are actually adapted with surrounding environment. So this is actually what was happened from original environment, change in environment, the red color one, over the time, and they actually dominant after some times. Okay, example for natural selection, Biston Bistularia. Okay, this is actually an example for the change. Okay, if you look at that, I want to focus on here because it's very easy for you to understand. Okay, right and left one. Okay, the right one is actually after the pollution. The left color one, the right color one is actually before the pollution happened. The left color one is actually happen after pollution. Okay, what was happened before the pollution? Okay, the right color one, the right color morth, the white color and the brown color. The white color one during the before pollution one, they are safe from the predator because they can hidden itself through the lichen. You know, the white color one is a lichen. Compared than the brown color one. The brown color one will be killed by the predator because they can be easily seen by the predator, and the predator will kill them. Okay, after the pollution, the white color moth, they are dangerous because they easily can be seen by the predator and killed by the predator compared than the brown color one. So this actually what was happened during after pollution, before pollution and after pollution, and how the moth can be adapted and can be hidden themselves before the pollution and after the pollution. Okay, I think you may understand about what I've explained before. So this is actually a graph from the story about what I've told you before. You may read yourself. Okay, so this is another example of the guppy population. Okay, by read Cap 8 moles about adaptation for evolution guppy population. Okay, if you look at that, this is actually what was happened for the experiment. Pole number 1, okay, the upper one is actually pole number 1. The pole number 1 is actually for experimental population. The down there is actually a control population, and the last one is actually the pole with killfish but no guppies prior to transplant. Okay, the first pole, the upper pole 1 is actually under experimental population. If you look at that, they actually a predator which is killfish, prey mainly on small guppies. Okay, for control population, the predator is actually a pied chichal, preys mainly on large guppies. Guppies are smaller at sexual maturation than those in killfish pool. But for the last one, the last pole from your right hand side, they are actually a pole with killfish but no guppies prior to transplant. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see from here, after 11 years, the average size of age at a maturity of guppies in the transplanted population increased compared to those guppies in control population. Okay, so as a conclusion here, the scientists said they concluded that the change in predator resulted in different variations in the population. Okay, larger size and faster maturation being favored. Over relatively short time, this altered selection pressure resulted in an observable in the experimental population. So this is actually about experiment about guppies in the pool. Okay, this is about selection will be delivered later on.